I'm standing here at the NLSDays in Malmö with Cédric Barriere of Sanofi. Cédric, hello. What's your role at Sanofi?
So I'm working in Oncology External Innovation Group, and this is part of the BD and licensing department at Sanofi.
What are you looking for at here in Sweden today?
So today and tomorrow, actually, I'm in Sweden to meet with people here because north of Europe there is very great science and it's a very dynamic area with young startup and well-established as well pharma, mature biotech, strong academic expertise and skills. So this is why I am here. In my role, I need to meet people. What I look for is to complement the existing portfolio of Sanofi. We all know that even being a very big pharma, we cannot do everything alone. Even if we are smart, we can not have all the best ideas. And I'm here to meet very smart, intriguing people and look for assets, ideas to complement what we have internally. We are looking for early assets, but as well late-stage assets. It can be even commercial assets. We are very agnostic when it's about good science. You know, when you have great ideas, you need to go for it. It's always more difficult when it's early stage, obviously, because there is a lack of proof of concept in clinic. But you need to look at the science from very early drug discovery to late-stage asset. So I'm interested, and Sanofi is interested by all kinds of assets, being early or late stage. We have great scientists, great researchers, which can help at developing very early ideas and to accelerate the drug development. And we have as well tremendous, excellent teams of clinical development and regulatory registration and commercial people. We can market, we can develop, we can do everything at Sanofi. That's a very great environment, I have to say. Our long-term objective actually is to have 70% of internally derived products. Today we are not there, but even when we are going to reach this objective, there is still big room for partnering. Partnering is in our DNA at Sanofi. This is something we know you need to do. Again, as I said before, great ideas are not going to come only from our researcher, but we have at least the great science internally to recognize what is going to be good externally. And even having reached this long-term objective of 70% internally derived product, we will still have a big room for partnering, because this is important. This is a very competitive field, and you need to partner sometimes.
One of your business development colleagues here actually said that the Nordic region is perhaps the most innovative region per capita. Would you agree on that?
I would agree to say that it's highly dynamic, you know, say the most. I don't have all the data to say this is the most dynamic, but clearly if I am here and this is a priority for me and my organization for me to be here, is that the quality of science in Nordic region of Europe is fantastic. We all know that. But not only that, it's very dynamic. There is a lot of companies, a lot of young startups which are supported to grow, and I have met already with some of them. And clearly it's dynamic, great ideas, great science. There is everything here to develop fantastic ideas. And you need, again, to be innovative, transformative for cancer patients, because until now there is still a big room for improvement, again. So yes, I would agree to say it's a very dynamic, very strong science is developed here. And this is why I am here.
We wish you the best of luck in exploring all the opportunities here in Malmö. And thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us.
Thanks a lot for making the interview with me. It's a pleasure for me and for my company. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.